In today's video, I show you how to get the perfect tan on your hands. It's something that so many people struggle with, and it's a highly requested question in my inbox, so I thought it would be easier to demonstrate to you because once you know how to do it, it's not too bad. So I did a tan yesterday. As you can see, my hands look lovely, natural, there's no funny business going on at all. And as you can see, I've also done my body as well. So with the tan, it's a really natural colour. It works with your skin tone to create a natural all over even tan. I've gone for one layer, so that's more of a natural medium colour, but if you like a deeper tan, then you can do 2 layers. First things first, I haven't got really dry skin, so for me, I don't have to moisturise, but I know for some people, especially on their hands, their skin can be really dry. Usually I'd recommend moisturising the night before if you're doing a tan in the morning or an hour or so before. But if you've got extra dry knuckles or skin, you can put the tiniest amount of moisturiser on. But when I say tiny, I literally mean you don't really want to see it on your fingers even, because you don't want the moisturiser to act as a barrier and prevent the tan from working. The tan needs to be on your skin to have the reaction it needs to have. Our product contains natural DHA as well, so it's a really good fake tan, and it will give you, as I said, a natural colour. There's no orange tinge and it's really quick drying. So once you've done it, you can put your clothes back on and get on as normal. So I'm just going to show you a tiny bit of moisturiser on the knuckles to show you how little I really mean. I only use coconut oil, but I'm going to use the Loose Beauty face cream just on my knuckles today because I just thought, why not? It's a moisturiser, might as well use it. So literally, I'm just going to dab a tiny bit on. And like, as I said, it's the tiniest amount that you want to use, and just rub that in to any areas that you find dry. And make sure when you do your tan that your hands are completely dry. You need to have them bone dry before putting anything on. The main thing as well with hands, and when you're getting used to tanning, be slow with it, take your time. It doesn't take a lot of time to tan, and when you get quicker at it, it honestly takes a couple of minutes to do a full body tan and face, but you just don't want to rush things because that is when mistakes happen. Especially if you've had a few drinks and you do tan in the evening, no doubt you're going to have a few funny tan marks, because I've done it many times where I've done a full body tan and I decide to sleep like this or, however, and the palms of my hands are tanned or bits are missed. But yeah, let's get on with it. Let's stop waffling, Lucy. So with the mousse, you always use a mitt. You do not use your hands to apply this product. Never ever use the mousse with your hands. It's not good, it doesn't work. It will get under your nails, it will stain your nails, and that's not how the product's been formulated. It's been formulated in a moussey consistency so that it works with the mitt to give you a really nice even colour and tan and easy application. With the tan drops, you can use your hands and just add moisturiser to it if you're doing it to the body, and just wash your hands afterwards. That's just really important. But with this mousse, it isn't made to be designed to do it on its own. So with this, I'm literally going to use, I'm not even doing like half a pump. It is a tiny, tiny amount. And it's better to do less and build up than do too much and you end up with a bit of a disaster on your hand. And what I always do is I start from here. And I'm just going to go all the way over the nails, literally in a long motion. So I never ever start directly on the hands. This is really important because you don't want to go smack bang on your hands and you've got too much product on there and you've got to work it in. So always start here because you can build up this area. You can sort of move it up the arm as well. So it's better to do more on your arm than on your hands. And we're just going to do a sweeping motion over. I'd say like 5 times or so, just really pushing the product in. And then you want to do like a claw, because obviously we need to get into all those little bits in between, give those a little rub. And also never just do a tan like that because you'll end up with that awful whiteness between. So then you just want to go in between as well. And just literally, I just find this sort of motion, just going through, is the best way of just getting it. There we go. And then not forgetting the sides and this bit here and round here. So there you have it, that's hand 1 done. I've got all areas in between. And the thing is, with your hands, they're naturally going to be a bit lighter anyway, and you're better to have a lighter hand and then you can build it up with a bit more tan than doing too much, because there is nothing worse, and I've done it many a times with previous tans where I've put loads on and it just isn't what you want. You've got this great looking tan, but your hands give it away. That's not the look we're going for, are we? So yeah, that's really simple on how you do it, and just give it a good old rub in. Now that is already dry, but you need to wait 2 hours. You can't wash your hands for 2 hours because the product will come off. So you just need to remember that as well. Do the second hand now. Oopsie, I've used too much. So what am I gonna do? I am not gonna go and whack it on the hand, absolutely not, because that is when problems are made. What I'm gonna do is start here, a bit higher up, and then I'm just gonna sort of rub a bit in, and then I'm gonna go over the hand. So we've got all here, and look, you can just literally rub that into here. This isn't a problem if it's up here. As I said, we can build this area up a bit more on the arms, but we're just gonna slide, do that motion straight over, all over the nails. Do it about 5 times, keeping your hands straight, and then we're gonna claw them, and we're gonna get in between all those little bits of the skin and the joints, and then we're gonna go in between the nails, not the nails, sorry, the fingers, and making sure we're getting the sides too. Get around here, around here. And there you have it. Now, if you've got the Lucy B tonic, you can use that now over your nails and on the palms of your hands if you have got any on them. I'll just show you that. If not, you can buy tan remover, face wipes work. What else is there? They're kind of the main things, but you can't obviously go and wash your hands because you will remove the tan. The Lucy B Dazzling Tonic, which is an AHA product. This is for the skin. It boosts our renewal, it gently exfoliates the skin, and it really helps with the whole complexion. It contains lactic acid as well, so it's really hydrating on the skin. It really helps with spots, blemishes. It's amazing. But due to the AHAs, alpha hydroxy acids, you can use this on the nails as well. It just removes the tan quite well, so you can use it on any mistakes that you've made. And I'll just go over my nails because I did them. They look lovely. I think they look lovely. And then you can just go over your nails and any tan on the palm. So I've got a bit on my thumb and my finger, so I'm just going to go over around here, and always just worth, you know, just this little bit here. But as you can see, that is looking good. Something else you can do is use a brush on your hands. Now, this is definitely really good to do. I personally find the mitts good enough to do the hands, but if you need something a bit smaller, you can use a brush. I would suggest a thicker brush than this. I've just found this, and it's the only one I could find, to be honest, that I don't mind getting tan on. But you can apply it, and again, this is a great way. Just put, again, you don't want to put a lot on, literally a small amount, and you can just work sort of onto the hand and doing the similar sort of thing, just getting all areas. I personally find gliding the mitt is easier, but equally, look, everyone's different. We all like different things, so I just wanted to show you this option as well. And you can go around on it, and it is just, don't forget these little bits in between your nails. So yeah, there you have it. You've got the Lucy B Tan down to a T now. If you need any more help, any advice with any of the products, please let me know. I'm more than happy to do these sort of videos, show you how to get the most out of your products, get the perfect looking tan. I want you guys to love these products just as much as I do, and I know so many of you do, but I want you to get the most out of them. I want you to have natural looking tan, so everyone's questioning, how are you in lockdown and you look this good and the sun's not even been out? Like, what's happened? Where's your real tan from? It's not real, it's fake. It's the Lucy B fake tan, honeys. But yeah, love it. Okay guys, well have a lovely day, and I hope you found this useful.